welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see from the title below, we are going to have a new makeup look. So this makeup look is a purple glam makeup look. So bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating makeup look is meron ulit tayong care package from Iscaked Beauty. So ayan, thank you so much Iscaked Beauty for sending this. Ayan. So, na-open ko na siya kasi pagdating sa mga ganitong bagay is super excited na ako. Na-try sila. So, ayan. Super cute na box. And with my picture, and nakalagay dito sa taas is official brand ambassadors of Iscaked. Angelique Forte. Thank you so much, Iscaked fam, for sending this. So, o-open na natin to. Open ko na to. Kasi, chinek ko na yung mga products. And, ayan. Meron din nakalagay dito. Thank you for being part of our growing and glowing family. Stay safe, love lots. So, ayan. Meron ganyan sa paper. So, they sent us their new, I think, new lip scrub. Ayan. Super ganda. So excited to try this. Hindi ko pa siya na-open. Ayan. And with 2 cake tints. Ang shade niya is Francesca and Miranda. Ayan, super ganda ng packaging nila guys, no? And their new release, I think, is Cake Mattified Tints. I think, matte tints. Ayan. Ito pa lang yung na-open ko. Ito sa lahat ng pinila nila. Ito pa rin na-open ko kasi excited ako about their packaging. Kasi super ganda. Ayan. Wait lang. Focus natin. Kasi yung pag ginawa ko mo siya is like, hindi ko ma-explain, pero ang ganda na talaga. With a glitters and minimalist lang yung packaging nila itself. Ayan. So, gagamitin natin to for today's look. Thank you so much again, Iscaked fam, for sending this. So, first na gagawin ko is maglalagay muna ako ng lip balm from Allure. Allure lip balm. I super love this. Kasi kahit sa pag-skincare ko, hindi pwedeng nawawala yung product na to. So, yan. Para rin makeup tayo is na-moisturize yung lips natin. Next is magpa-primer ako using this Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser. Next step is magko-concealer ako. So, i-conceal lang natin yung mga dapat i-conceal sa mukha natin. So, bago tayo mag-foundation. Next is magpa-foundation na tayo guys. I'm gonna be using this L'Oreal Infallible Foundation in the shade 250 Radiant Sand. So, 1 pump. Kasi maliit nga lang yung So, magko-concealer ulit tayo guys para ma-highlight lang yung mga under eye natin and yung banda dito. I'm going to use again this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 30 Honey. So, mag-set tayo ng face, guys. I'm gonna be using this Focallure Face Setting Powder in the shade number 2. So, set tayo ng face ngayon. So, habang nagbe-bake tayo ng face, hindi ng cookies, habang nagbe-bake ako is magkikilay muna ako guys and I'll be right back. So, I'm done with my eyebrows guys. So, by the way, I use this Belle'a Cosmetics Eyebrow Pomade in the shade Medium Brown and this Everbilena Advanced Brow Define with Paddle Brush. So, mag-proceed na ako guys sa eyeshadow ko. So, ayan, setting powder na yan. Diyan ka lang. So, I will use this 2 palette kasi meron ako mga kailangan shades sa iba. So, dahil purple nga, so bago ako mag purple is isa-set ko rin muna yung eyes ko kasi meron ding concealer yan. So, isa-set ko lang siya with this neutral powder. Mag-start ako dito guys sa light violet na to. Next color guys is ito. And next itong light purple, I think. So, ayun guys, mukha pa tayong tanga ngayon. So, syempre di pa tayo tapos dyan. And, maglagay na ako ng concealer dito guys, sa may bandang crease ko. Ayan. Maglagay tayo ng concealer. Isa-set ko lang siya with this white eyeshadow para hindi siya sticky. And maglalagay lang ako ng shimmer banda dito guys, dito sa my line na yan. Maglalagay tayo ng glitter, shimmer, etc. etc. So I'm gonna be using this NYX Wavy Glow highlighter. So gagamitin ko lang din to, itong parang pang line. Yeah. So, as you can see guys, meron ng mga shimmer dyan. Yes. So, mag-eyeliner na ako and mascara all in all fall season. I will be guys back. So, ayun guys, tapos na ako sa eye makeup ko. Ayan, I think nagawa ko naman siya ng maayos. And, magpo-proceed na tayo sa contour guys. I'm gonna be using this. My favorite contour palette, which is the Advanced Contour Palette. So, ayan, contour na tayo. And magpa-blush na ako guys. I'm gonna be using this Beauty Glazed blush in the shade Pale Mauve. So, ayan. And hahaluan ko siya ng onting purple, which is ito. Hahaluan ko siya ng para purple glow talaga siya. And mag-highlighter na tayo guys. Gagamitin ko ulit tong NYX Wavy Glow highlighter kasi it's super bright. Kaya ito yung gagamitin natin. liner lang ako, guys. And guys, I'm gonna be using today this Iscaked Mattified Tints, Matte Tints, I think. And I think this is in the shade Mayari. So, ayun, gagamitin natin siya for this look. And, ayun siya guys. Ito yung shade niya. Wow. And yung shade niya guys. And, gagamitin natin siya for my lips. Wow. Moisturizing sa lips, guys. So, I think I'm done with the makeup look, guys. Mag-dress up lang ako ng konti. And finalize ko lang yung look ko. And a little montage for you guys, and I will be back. That's it all for today, guys. I hope you like this look. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe kung hindi pa kayo nakakapag-subscribe. Turn on the notification bell para updated kayo every time I posted a new video or a new makeup look. So again, thank you so much Iscaked Beauty for sending these products to me. So again, this look is a purple glam and inspired din to sa Iscaked Beauty kasi yung theme nila is like a purple vibe, ganun. So, thank you so much Iscaked Beauty. So, thank you guys for watching. I see you guys on my next one.